Hey, what's up, Erie? It's Luke Bolinger, Special Projects Manager for the Town of Erie Parks and Recreation Department, out here at Erie Community Park final phase. Got lots happening right now. It's been a while since I've done a video. Hey, it's cold out. They're moving the trailer right now to the parking lot, which is awesome. That means landscaping is picking up a little bit as weather allows. We've got trees being planted on site. We can plant trees in the winter. We'll hand water them until the irrigation system is active. But let's take a walk around and see what else has been going on. Not that you would want to on a morning like this where it's a bit chilly, but we're out here reading room number 2, where the furnishings are in place. That's the chairs and the tables, and then the rocks are all stacked. All right, I'm under the Trailhead Outpost shelter, one of 6 here at Erie Community Park. We got our boot camp walls all poured. There's no surfacing on here. Remember, this is going to be artificial turf here. There's no surfacing on it. It's been a little too cold to put that surfacing down over here, but that's what that surface will be right outside the Trailhead Outpost. Right now I'm over here at the Trailhead Outpost. Hey, look, wave at the people. The power's about to get turned on over in this building, which means we can turn on thermostats, start heating up the building, so that way we can turn on water, test all those connections. The board and batten is up. Still needs a paint job, but again, with the weather being a little chilly, gotta wait till we have some consistently warmer temperatures. So that was Lewis, our site superintendent. Great guy, been here the whole time. We got the playground equipment that's been delivered on site. Here's the Genesis XL climber. It's gonna go right in the middle of this playground, right here. From top of surface to the top of the pole, it's 32 feet high. It's gonna be an awesome playground. We had fencing crews out here earlier this week, and then we got hit with some snow, but they should be back out here once the clear snows, hopefully later next week. Finish all the single rail and the double rail fence that we have throughout the site. That just helps create kind of a border so we don't have social trails developing in the native grass areas. All right, I had to just take a minute here because I slipped on this ice right here at the top of the peak sledding hill. I'm okay. This is probably my favorite feature of the park just because of the views that it offers. Who doesn't love sledding down a big hill? We just poured all of the concrete here at the peak sledding hill, and if you look back on top of one of those panels, there's a little white sensor, and what that sensor will do is when the temperature is at a certain point and when it detects moisture, it'll click on all of the heaters that are embedded within the concrete. Now this heated concrete goes from the peak shelter concrete all the way down to the bottom of the stairs over here. So it's obviously not on right now because we don't have any power, but when it's on, we'll have nice heated stairs, so we won't have to be trudging up the sledding hill. All right, that's it for now. Even though it is cold, we've got a lot of snow on the ground, we're still working here, and as the weather gets nice later in the spring, we'll start seeing some playground surfacing, playground equipment go up. So follow us on Engage Erie, follow us on social media, and keep your eye out on a grand opening date for your community park final phase. Luke Bolinger, Special Projects Manager, the Town of Erie Parks and Recreation Department. Till next time.